The last 5 minutes before you fall asleep are the most creative, powerful moments of your entire day. Think about what you normally do during these crucial minutes. Most people spend them scrolling through stressful news, replaying old arguments, or staring at the ceiling, worrying about tomorrow's bills. Without realizing it, they are programming their subconscious mind with lack, stress, and anxiety right before it goes to work. But your mind doesn't have to be a victim of your worries. You can change your entire reality tonight with a simple, deliberate 5-minute shift. Here is the science behind this works. As your body relaxes and your eyes close, your brain waves naturally begins to slow down. You transition out of the active analytical beta waves, move through relaxing alpha waves, and finally, right before you drift off into deep sleep, your brain enters the theta state. The theta state is literal doorway to your subconscious mind. In this state, your logical, critical mind goes to sleep and the barriers to infinite abundance drop completely. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful, but it has one limitation. It cannot distinguish between a real memory and a vivid imagination. Whatever thoughts, emotions, and scripts you feed it during this 5-minute theta window, it accepts as absolute truth. It takes the blueprint and spends the next 7 to 8 hours organizing your energy, your vibrations, and your tomorrow to match it. Step 1 of this ritual takes exactly 1 minute, and it is called the mental release. Before you can welcome abundance, you must clear the today's mental clutter. As you lay down tonight, close your eyes and take a deep, intentional breath. Feel the air fill your lungs, and as you exhale, let your physical body sink heavily into your mattress. Mentally state to yourself, I am closing the book on today. Whatever happened today is done. I forgive any mistakes, I release any worries, and I hand them over to the universe. I am safe to rest. Let the weight of the day completely drop off your shoulders. You cannot solve tomorrow's problems with tonight's exhaustion. Give yourself permission to let go. Step 2 takes the remaining 4 minutes, and it is called the abundance anchor. Instead of thinking what went wrong or what you still lack, focus your entire mind on 3 things that went right today. It doesn't have to be massive. It could be a warm cup of tea you enjoyed this morning, or a shared laugh with a loved one, or simply the fact that you have a warm, safe bed to sleep in tonight. As you bring these 3 things to your mind, don't just list them like a chore. Sit with them, feel the physical sensation of gratitude swelling in your chest. This emotional frequency signals to the universe that you are already safe, already abundant, and completely taken care of. You are training your brain to look for wealth. And in the law of attraction, whatever you focus on must multiply. As your eyes grows heavy and you begin to drift off into sleep, let your very last repeating thought be this: everything is working out for my highest good. Abundance flows to me effortlessly while I sleep. Let these words be the background music your subconscious mind dances all night long. If you're ready to program your mind for wealth tonight, type ready in the comments below to log this frequency into your reality. Sweet dreams, beautiful souls. You are the creator of your reality. Don't forget to subscribe to Wow Abundance Hub for more daily alignment.